Hold the wall mount at the desired height and mark the drill points. Drill the marked points using an 8mm drill bit and insert the wall plug securely. Fix the wall mount firmly to the wall using the provided hardware. Tighten all bolts with the Allen key to ensure a strong and wobble-free installation. Now attach the VSA plate to the center front plate. You can adjust the VSA plate to match your TV size. Remove the locking screws from the VSA plate and align it with the TV's mounting holes. Carefully place the TV assembly onto the wall mount. Insert and tighten the screw from the back side of the assembly. Supports TV's weight up to 50 kilograms. Swivels 40 to 45 degrees for flexible viewing. Tilt plus or minus 5 degrees for the perfect viewing angle. Adjustable wall extension from 45 to 320 millimeters. Thank you for choosing RD Mounts. If you need professional installation support or have any questions, our team is here for you.